week I'm testing the Hyundai Tucson. It's a very popular family 5-seater SUV. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to subscribe and like and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this video is brought to you by InfoSecure. Now in the back of the Hyundai Tucson there are ISOFIX in the two outer rear seats. They're not within guides and they're nice and easy to connect to. On the back of all three seat backs there are top tether anchorages and they're nice and easy to connect to through the boot. Now I've managed to install 3 InfoSecure child seats in the back here. I've got the Optima, the Serene and the Versatile Booster in the central seat. Now I couldn't fit a second Serene or Optima in here because the roof of the car tapers in as it goes towards the roof. So I couldn't get 3 full-size child seats across the back. If you want to learn more about the InfoSecure child restraints used in this video, then just click on the link here. Legroom is good in the back of the Tucson. We found with a rear-facing child seat, a 182cm plus passenger can sit in the front. There are aircon vents in the back as well as the front of the Tucson, which is fantastic for keeping those little passengers in the back the right temperature. The storage in the back of the Hyundai Tucson is quite minimal. In a fold down in the central seat back there are 2 cup holders. They'll hold a reusable and disposable coffee cup. There are net mat pockets on the back of both front seats that will hold and not conceal an iPad. And the door bins are quite small in the back here. They'll just hold a 600ml water bottle and there are the little storage handle wells too. In the front the storage is better. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. They'll hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In front of them is a wireless phone charging pad and there's a little storage area there too. The central console box is a really good size in here. The glove box is a good size too. It will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual. There's no glasses case in the ceiling. The door bins are a good size in the front. They'll hold a large refillable water bottle and there's the storage handle wells too. The boot of this model Tucson opens manually but nice and quietly. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 14 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 6 shopping bags, a tandem pram and 5 shopping bags, a single pram and 7 shopping bags, a compact stroller and 11 shopping bags, or a medium-sized dog. The Tucson is a lovely car to drive. It's so intuitive, it's easy to just get in and go. It's fantastic. Visibility is quite tricky out of that rear window when you've got child seats in the back there. However, the side mirrors are good and you've got a really good rear view camera just pressing a button down in the central console. I do find the engine is a bit revvy in this model Tucson though, and a little bit loud, especially when going up hills. The media system in the Tucson is really lovely and simple and easy to use. It does have a quiet mode which brings the volume to the front of the car and not the rear, which is really good for when you've got little passengers on devices or asleep in the back. You've also got sounds of nature, which is white noise at your fingertips and really fantastic for getting little ones to sleep while you're driving. You've also can control the climate from here and you've got CarPlay and Android Auto as well. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is beautiful and clear. You've also got overhead views. You can turn the parking sensors off with a button down in the central console and you can turn the parking camera on at any time using a button down in the central console too. So to sum up with the Hyundai Tucson, it is a great family SUV. You can just fit those 3 child seats across the middle. The boot space is really good and so is the media system. The drive is nice, however that engine is a little bit revvy.